Hello friend, this is Golden Thumb. Welcome back to Swift tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about another interesting feature of Swift enum enumeration called raw value. Okay, so for example, if you play chess, right, each piece has a relative value, right? Like, for example, queen is very powerful, right? And yeah, that kind of things. So how can we assign? How can we assign some like data value integer or right whatever to each of the cases? We can do that in Swift like that. So this is the data type of its raw value. Okay, by default, let's check what is the default value of those cases. Let's define a chessman equals chessman dot say, let's check the queen. Chessman A, okay. And chessman B equals chessman dot, let's say, knight. Okay, let's print out A dot raw value. Okay, and then chessman B dot raw value. Let's double check, run it. 1 and 4. So it seems to us the first one by default will be assigned 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So by default this will be something like this is 0, and this is 1, this is 2, that kind of, right? Let's run it again. Same thing. So what if we change its value, right? For example, king is 100. Let's see, run it. So this is 1, this is 2. Yeah, by default this will be the previous one plus 1. 3, 4. Okay, so if we remove those, I guess this will be 101, 102, 104. Let's see. Yes, my assumption is correct. Haha. Now we cannot assign anything, right, to that, because this is a popular old game, and from the Wikipedia we can get chess piece relative value here. There is a common sense value here. Oh, pawn. Okay, so I have no idea what the king should be, but anyway, for the queen the relative is 9, and we can put any value to the king because king is always there. It cannot be killed. If it's killed, right? Capture or checkmate. Checkmated, then we lose the game. Okay, so what is bishop? 3, rook. Oh, this is a good one. 5, knight is 3 again. and the pawn just the 1. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Raw value of enum case is not unique. Aha. So obviously, this is not a proper use case for int raw value to represent the standard valuations of chessman, right? Chessman. And no worry, we can use another type which is useful for us, like string. So this one will be a single letter K, king, and Q for queen, and this one B, and this one R, and this one let's use N. Okay, this one will be P. Yeah, so now let's give a try. Queen. Yeah, run it. This might be useful. So the raw value of chessman A, queen is Q, and knight is N. Okay, so yeah, as long as we know, right, we can assign our raw value for our enumeration type. That's good. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.